Hey YouTube. Today for your 3rd gen RAM, you might be wondering, okay, my fog lights are getting really yellow. So what I think that you should do, and we're gonna see how it looks, I am upgrading from the stock fog lights to LED fog lights. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so these right here are the LED fog lights that I got. They're about $100 and they actually look pretty good. Like, they look like they're gonna have a good design on it. I don't know if you can see this good, but they're nice. I mean, compared to the stock one, they're gonna look good, right? So, here's what the stock looks like. This is what they look like. They're LED, about $100 on Amazon. They actually go like this. Sorry for the reflection in here. It's really hard to show you with all this sunlight. Well, this is a good little angle. It's got a few strips in there. Now let's show you how to remove it from the front. Alright, I am squished under my truck because it's lowered, but these two 10mm bolts, those are for the two sides of the fog light. Over here, going into your bumper, there's one more 12mm right there. Sorry, 10mm, not 12mm. And you're going to remove all 3 of those, and then we're going to disconnect the fog light, and the fog light will come out. So let's get to it. So once you get these last screws out, you're going to be able to slide it down like so. And then there's this clip here. Just pull it off, pop it off, boom. Uninstalled. We have taken out the lenses of the fog lights. We now have to install them. So the kit that I bought, I'll put the link in the description below. It came with all new hardware, so we're not actually gonna have to reuse it. I'm gonna just save it there in case I ever wanna put it back to stock. Or if these actually cheap out and they break, they're Amazon special. So it's not like I spent a few $100 on it. I spent, I think, about $100 on these. But they look really good, so now we're gonna reinstall it. Here's the hardware it comes with. It comes with new washers, new bolts. Comes with all new brackets to be able to actually mount it, so you can place them all on. I just kept this on for now. So now we're gonna install. Obviously, you gotta plug it in. It comes with a nice plug. It also has like a fan on the back here for heating. So it should stay nice and cool. And then you gotta put these 4 bolts in, and then they're installed. So right now we got no fog lights. Nothing. We're about to put it in now. Let's go. Alright, we've now installed them. This is what they look like. Much nicer than the original. They even look much better when you see it up close. But the visibility is going to be substantial versus old school halogen style. So I really actually highly recommend upgrading from the original fog lights to something LED. The reason being is, one, the brightness. Totally different, night and day, literally, not figuratively, or it could be, doesn't matter. But I do highly recommend it. It looks good when it sits with it off. It looks good when it sits with them on. It's good when you're driving. So big thumbs up to that. Also, the link to what I bought is in the description below. So that is how you install a fog light in your 3rd gen RAM. That's it, folks. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend you love them.
Take care.